Facebook Remarketing 2.0 made easy. Chapter 12, Saved Audiences. Knowing where your resources are can save you a lot of time, and having a dashboard like the Facebook Ads Manager is all about ease of use. So that is why in this video you will learn how to create saved audiences to save time and become more efficient. Saved audiences are audiences that, as their name implies, had been previously saved for later use. This is great news for you because if you have an audience or two that have worked well for you before, the wisest thing to do is to use them again for a similar ad campaign. Saved audiences will save you time, no pun intended. As long as you create and save a good variety of audiences to fit every possible marketing scenario, they will work as a charm. And because you are all action and no talk, let's get it on and teach you how you can create your first one. First, go to the Assets section in your dashboard and click on Audiences. Now click on the Create Audience drop-down menu and select Saved Audience. A Create Saved Audience box will appear. The information that you will enter here will be the same as what you would have to enter when creating an audience for a new ad set. First, enter an audience name for your new saved audience. Then you can exclude or include a custom audience on each respective field in the Custom Audience section. You can also create a new audience to include or exclude, if you want to use a different one from those that you have previously created by clicking on Create New and choosing Custom or Lookalike Audience. Next up, you have to list a location or set of locations for your audience in the Locations section. Here you can be as specific as you want. Enter the name of a location in the Add Location field and choose whether to include everyone in this location. People who live in this location, people recently in this location and people traveling in this location from the menu above. Those options are useful like when for example you choose one state but at the same time want to exclude a city or town within it. Do this for every location that you enter. Now choose the age bracket to target from minimum on the left menu and maximum on the right menu. Now choose what gender to target, and then enter one or more languages that you want to target specifically. In detailed targeting you can enter specific interests, so Facebook can target people who like those things. You can enter them manually or by using the Browse menu, and choose each based on demographics, interests, behavior and other categories. You can also use the Exclude button and do the same, this time to make Facebook exclude people with those interests. Lastly, you can add a connection type in Connections. You can for example connect with people that like your Facebook page, or exclude people who uses your app. Now check that everything is correct and click on Create Audience. Now you are ready to use that saved audience the next time that you create an ad set.